A routine trip to the dentist. That was when Rick Turner was first alerted that something wasn't right.
And the hygienist said, Rick, I don't like the way the tissue looks by your molars in the upper right.
Testing revealed cancer in Rick's upper jawbone. An invasive and complex surgery was the best option to save his life.
We want to make sure these patients can talk, can chew, can eat, can swallow, can breathe normally and function normally as much as possible.
So Dr. Kyle VanKoevering and his team at the Ohio State University Comprehensive Cancer Center, James Cancer Hospital, and Solove Research Institute pioneered a new tool to aid doctors in jaw reconstruction surgery.
We can take those two-dimensional pictures.
Using MRI and CT scans, doctors 3D print an exact replica of their patient's jaw, helping to guide critical decisions in the OR.
We can actually bring a real-life template into the operating room that gives us a lot more precision on where to make the cuts and how to align things afterwards.
The model is also used to custom tailor and shape new bone to replace what was removed, which is often taken from a patient's arm or leg.
The bone grafts we bring in heal better, have less likelihood of fracture and lower rates of infection in the long run, which is going to improve the outcomes for our patients.
This life-saving procedure removed Rick's cancer. He's thankful for the 3D technology, crediting it to how he looks and feels today.
I'm sure it would be difficult to get exactly the same results without having the tool to help.
At the Ohio State University Comprehensive Cancer Center, James Cancer Hospital, and Solove Research Institute, this is Karina Chung reporting.